Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to earn money with Audible. We will explore several proven methods, from narrating audiobooks to promoting them as an affiliate. Understanding these avenues can unlock new income streams for you, right from your home. This guide will walk you through each option, making it simple to start your journey today, helping you transform your passion for audio into real financial gains and providing a clear path forward. One primary method is becoming an audiobook narrator through ACX. Here, you can audition for numerous projects, working with authors to bring their stories to life. You might earn a set rate, typically between $50 and $100 per finished hour, or opt for a 40% royalty share with the author. This offers a flexible way to use your voice and earn money, allowing you to choose projects that truly resonate with you. Another effective way to earn is through affiliate marketing by promoting Audible. When someone signs up for an Audible membership or purchases an audiobook through your unique link, you receive a commission. For instance, you could earn $10 to $25 for each new paying Audible member referral. This method is ideal for content creators, bloggers, or social media influencers who can genuinely recommend audiobooks to their audience, turning their recommendations into income. If you are an author, publishing your own audiobook on Audible presents a significant earning opportunity. You can choose to narrate your own work, saving on production costs, or hire a professional voice actor through ACX. With your audiobook available to millions of listeners, you can earn royalties of up to 40% on each sale, creating a consistent stream of passive income. This allows you to leverage your creative work for sustained financial reward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.